In today's video, I'm going to show you a very powerful method that you can implement today and start driving targeted traffic to Clickbank products. And this is XB Marketing with another video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. You will definitely find them interesting. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool right here to generate unlimited content that you can use to start making passive income with Clickbank products. So I'm literally going to show you from start to finish how I do it and how you can replicate the same process step by step and start making money every single day on Clickbank. As you can see right here, over $300 has been made today so far on Clickbank, and I'm going to refresh this page right here for those who might be doubting, or for those who are thinking, okay, maybe this is a screenshot or a fake or edited page. As you can see right here, everything remains the same. So you don't necessarily have to use Clickbank. You can use other affiliate websites or affiliate platform like Digistore24, Partner Stack. You can also use JVZoo and the likes. All right, so I'm going to be taking Clickbank here as an example. So all you just need to do is follow along. So the first thing and the most important thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you choose a product. All right, you want to pick a product before you do anything. That is the first step. So you want to click on the marketplace of whatever affiliate platform you're working with to select a product. So if you take a look at these categories right here, there are a lot of products that you can grab and start promoting right away. So all you literally need to do is you want to pick any product in these categories right here. And I always recommend that you go for products that are actually solving people's problem, because everyone wants to get rid of their problem one way or the other. So a lot of people out there are willing to pay some money to solve their problems. So basically you have to keep that in mind when you are choosing any product on Clickbank. I'm going to be taking this e-marketing and e-business as an example right here. So once I click on that, I'm going to see a lot of products that are listed under this category. This is one product right here. You get paid $29 for every single sale you make for this product. All right, so I can scroll down and scroll down and scroll down. There are a lot of products, as you can see right here. There's even a next page. So basically the criteria that I use is checking the gravity score of the product, because that's going to tell you how many affiliates are currently making money promoting that product. All right, so as you can see right here, this has a very high gravity score, which means a lot of affiliates are making money promoting this product. You don't necessarily need to go for the product with the highest gravity score. You can scroll down and look for other products with decent gravity score. So as you can see, this one right here has over 100 gravity score. So this is definitely a decent product to promote as well. A good number of affiliates have made money promoting this product as well. As you can see, you get paid almost $100 for every single sale you make for this product. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to click on this promote button, and you want to click on this create uplinks, and you want to click on copy. All right, so once you copy your uplink, now you want to come over to this website right here called anyword.com. So basically what this website does is it creates content that you can start using to promote your affiliate product or promote CPA offers, whatever it is. As you can see right here, data driven copywriting for anyone. So basically this is an AI tool that does all the work for you, creates all the content for you. So literally all you just need to do is add in your affiliate link and start promoting right away. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this start for free, although they have paid plan, but you can get started with a free trial. So once you create your account, this is how everything is going to look like. All right, so if it doesn't look like this, you want to make sure you click on this blog wizard. So once you do that, you want to click on this new project. And then once you do that, you want to type in a keyword related to whatever product you are promoting. As you can see right here, this is how to make money online product. As you can see right here, paid online writing jobs, get paid to do simple writing jobs online. So definitely this is a make money online product. So you're just going to type in how to make money online right here. All right, so once you type in keyword related to the product, you want to come to this section and you want to type in the industry right here. All right, so this is the category right here. So now all you just want to do from here, you want to click on next. So as you can see right here, once you type in the title that you want, how to make money online, which is related to the product, and once you've chosen the industry related to the product, you can see right here, these are a couple of topics that this tool has generated for you. So basically all you just need to do is select any of this topic right here, and this tool is going to create the content for you. So basically that is all you need to do. All you now need to do is grab the content, and you want to add in your affiliate link right here. Like I said, all you just need to do is click on this promote, click on generate uplinks, and then you click on copy, and then you want to add in your link to the generated article. So I'm going to show you a secret website most affiliates don't use. So literally you can come over to this website and you have a higher chance of getting people to buy your product, because there are not so many affiliates promoting on that platform, and the platform is steamit.com. So basically you can think of this website like Reddit, where you have numerous communities talking about various topics. So basically what you want to do now is you want to create an account right here. So all you just need to do is click on sign up. It's absolutely free, and then you want to scroll down to this section that says explore communities. So if I click on that, you can see there are a lot of communities on this website. All you want to do is click on subscribe, and then you want to share the article you generated from this platform, and you want to share it with the community. That way you are going to get a lot of people who are going to click on your link, because like I said, not so many people are promoting affiliate products on steamit.com. All right, so once you do that, you are going to get dozens of people who are going to make a purchase on your product, as long as you post the affiliate link in the right community. And like I always say, you don't want to go over to any community or any platform and start spamming your link. You can literally come over here and generate an article, and all you just need to do is include your link, and then you can share that article in that community. So basically that is how simple and that is how easy it is. You can literally repeat the whole process for as many products as you can find on Clickbank. So just so you know, this website gets millions of visits every single month. And keep in mind, you don't need to make hundreds or thousands of sales every single month for you to rake thousands of dollars on Clickbank. All you literally need is dozens of sales every single month, and you will be making thousands of dollars on Clickbank. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love. No.